Hello and welcome to the Dollar Tree DIY Spring Decor Open Collaboration. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, and Donna Decor and more. And any other participants will be listed in the description box. I'm going to start with this cute little bunny rabbit inside a black lantern, both from the Dollar Tree with a little candle inside it. And I have a little golden egg here. And most of these bunnies are from the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General. Now, the egg there is the Dollar Tree for only $3. Good deal on that. And also, I had purchased some moss. That's where I usually get all my moss, is the Dollar Tree. Some little potted lavender. More little bunnies. This one's adorable. And this one I've had for a long time. It is a little bunny painting an Easter egg. It even has a little paintbrush in his hand. I think all these little bunnies are adorable. And here's another one of those Easter eggs for $3. Can't beat the prices at the Dollar Tree. Another little lavender. And then in this picture here that I thrifted, I've added some tulips. Now those actually were from Amazon. And here's another little lantern with a little girl bunny inside it. I think she looks adorable in her little pink dress and holding an Easter egg and a flower. And again, I put a little candle in it that I did purchase from the Dollar Tree as well. So now I'm going to back up and give you a full look. Now the table runner was an Amazon purchase. And it's very pretty. It's an Easter runner. And then here on the end, I have a rabbit with a little sign there that was from the Dollar Tree that says, "I believe in the Easter Bunny." Now this rabbit is from the Karen Didion Original Cottontail Collection. This is the Easter Bunny Time for a Stroll. Now, even though this isn't from the Dollar Tree, I wanted to share it. I think it's beautiful. I purchased it at Home Goods years ago. And I have it on some springtime boxes, and there was also a pillow there that welcomes springtime. Now, this is in the guest room, and it's a table I have in front of the window. Isn't this cute how I set it up? And I even have a shelf that I put on top of the runner there to give some of the items a little bit of a lift. And over here on this area, I have another little bunny that's got a little backpack, I guess, with some carrots in it. Now, that was either the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General. I've had it for quite a while. And I have it on a little platter there with carrots. And then another little sign here that says a carrot patch with a little truck with some carrots in it. Now, that was the Dollar Tree, but I framed it myself. So I hope this gave you some ideas on how you can take items from the Dollar Tree and create a lovely little Easter decorated area in your home. I really like the lanterns. You can do a lot with those from the Dollar Tree. Well, I want to thank you all for watching. Now, if you would, go and check out the playlist and leave everyone a kind comment and a like. Now do continue watching because I will add bows to the lanterns. I felt like it needed something. So again, thank you all for watching and have yourself a happy Easter. See you in the next one.